Today in the shop.
We interrupt this broadcast for an urgent message from Honest Peyton's Speed Shop.
Big change coming up with this thing. My dad sold it. Just kidding. Let me get you in here of what we're gonna do with it. That was weird. Stick around to the end to find out the details on the giveaway.
We already know these wheels are going in favor of these guys. No change. Don't look under here. All right. Drivetrain staying the same. No changes here besides cleaning this guy. We might take the header off and scuff it up and make it look a little bit nicer. It's kind of, funky town. Fuel tank. We've decided we're going to use this. It's going to go right there. It's going to work fine. Interior is going to change. By the way, blue door. Bye-bye. There's not going to be too much difference in here except the way we do the interior. We've got a plan. We're not going to disclose what it is quite yet, but we have some welding to do on the marks here. We've got some cutting to do right here and right here. All right, so now you can see these guys, they have to go already. And then we've got some dents. So we're going to take these dents out as best we can. We're going to fix that rip in the metal as best we can. Now we're going to do our best here too. There's some big dents here. We'll try to get that guy out. I don't know what that is. The deck lid, we're going to make this look a little bit better. These are going to change because we have different ones. Now, all of these dents, we are going to do our best to get it out both sides and the underneath panel here. Hey, Peyton, turn around and show them that stuff. Sold all that stuff today. You guys missed out. We're going to, whoa.
Stop moving.
We're going to get these dents out. We're going to try to fix this rust in these holes as best we can.
Oh, look at that. He even assigned it to us.
Yep. All right, here's the biggest change. We're going to paint it. We've already got a plan to paint it. We've already got a plan for the interior and for the wheels. We are going to still make it look into a race car. We are not planning on running the windshield right now. We are going to do our best to fill this in to make it look as good as we can. We're still going to try to use this. We are going to try to make it fit and finish as best we can. So this now, instead of a shorter term project, just turned into a long-term project. Hope you enjoy watching it. We spare no expense here. We go to the finest of establishments when we are getting our maintenance products. We had to go to Menards today and get some softener salt. And the coolest part happened. All this stuff was on sale. But if you look close, boom, keeps engines clean and responsive. Wow. Maximizes something, transmission life, and 15,000 miles before I have to change it again? What? That's amazing. However, I don't see this going 15,000 miles ever again. But we can at least get something done.
We're back from the break. We're going to finally tell you what we're going to do with the sport coupe. We're going to keep it and we're going to build it.
And hopefully we can use as much stuff back there as we can. Hey, anybody want a speedster body? It's for sale. Ah, almost fell down. Yeah. I took a look at doing the oil change on the coupe. I think it's going to be a giant pain. I mean, everything is right there and right there. Good thing I'm not doing it. Hey, remember in the other video when I said anybody want to buy a Model T frame because it was in the way? Sold it. Boom. So we're cleaning up the shop and I happened to get back in here. This bolt was missing. Mildly important, kind of holds this thing together. Down here was missing. We had this one, but not that one. So as we find more stuff missing or issues, I'm sure we'll get you back in here. I just saw a video that's from New Guy's Garage that said they hate Phillips screws. Flat tip screws belong in the garbage. The only thing good about flat tip screws is the long flat tip screwdriver where you can use for a pry bar. And that's it. So you can stop your smear campaign against the Phillips. It's a wonderful invention, and flat tips belong in the trash. Thank you for your time. Loading up the goodies. Boop. Made a deal on something. I'm not going to show you for a while though.
The moment you've all been waiting for, the details on the giveaway. So what you need to do is be the first to comment on this video and have the exact day of my birthday, 1 through 31. The winner will be announced on July 1st. I want to say thank you to everybody who has been here with me since whenever, but I want to say thank you to Tim, Windsor, and Arco from Outlaw Edge. If I hadn't been here, or if you hadn't been here with me since the beginning, I'm pretty sure I wouldn't have made it so far so soon. And I want to say thank you to Harbor Freight for the streamers. Wow. Thank you so much, people. Keep on, Mitch, and have a great day.